When I'm not selling gold albums, I'm stealing James Hetfield's tone. The challenge is whether I could take impulse response, equalize it automatically to the difference between my sound and James Hetfield's sound, and will my rig sound the exact same? Here's the initial sound I started with. And here's James Hetfield's sound. They're definitely quite different from one another.
So what is an impulse response, you might ask? Very good question.
Think of it as a spike, but a spike that's sent to the amp. They call the pure spike a Dirac pulse, nothing more than a box. When you hear it, it simply makes a click. Now, if you were to multiply your guitar with this Dirac pulse, it would just sound like the guitar. However, once you take this Dirac pulse and send it out into an amplifier, record that through a mic, and then multiply that with your guitar, you get the sound of the amp, at least in terms of frequency, and somewhat with reverb as well. But the main thing is that you get the sound of the speaker. How does this apply here? What I do is I play something similar to what James Hetfield played, and then I use EQ matching, taking the curve from one source and then applying the EQ curve to another source. In this case, I'm going to copy the EQ curve from James Hetfield's guitar and apply it to my guitar, which will result in a difference curve. I will then take this difference curve and apply it to the impulse response I was using to get my original sound, and out will come the James Hetfield sound.
And now, the moment of truth. Success!
Smack that like button like you smack a wet raw chicken on a hot sunny day.